China has been following the philosophy of human-nature harmony in terms of environmental protection, especially the protection of water resources, a Pakistani scholar has said.
The philosophy of harmony between the human and the nature, I think that is the driving force behind these all environmental regulations are the activities which China is implementing. Because China believes the nature cannot sustain at the cost of human, and the human cannot develop at the cost of the nature. So they need to work together and coexist, and there is a need of harmony. So when I look all the policies, actions are the laws of Chinese, when they are talking about environmental protection, they are talking about water protection and nature protection.
Rame also pointed out that China is taking long-term measures to improve water quality, bring all the small steps under one umbrella.
I think China is not only talking about to go for the treatment of the sewage, or going for the rectification of the problems in the water sector or in the sewage sector, or to tackle the issues of the pollution, especially related to the water pollution. China is taking the right set of the actions. If we look around, China is also using the technology. For example, in certain cities of China, China has introduced an app where the people can tell the government, so water is smelly, or the water is not of good quality, or it is contaminated. So government can take the immediate actions. China is not talking about the big steps. China is also talking about a small step, which shows that China really want to rectify the problems. China really want to bring the water back on the mainstream and ensure the good quality of the water. And China does not want to do it for the 10 years or 20 years. So China is bringing everything under one umbrella. That defines China's commitment to this cause.
China has established a system of laws for environmental protection that has helped advance the Beautiful China initiative. A new law on the ecological protection and high-quality development of the Yellow River Basin came into effect last Saturday. It also stipulates that the water resources along the river basin should be allocated under a unified national allocation system.